Hello everyone, how are you going today? In my last video I used the earnings calculator to demonstrate the possible future earnings of CryptoBlades. However, many viewers informed me I shouldn't have been using 40 stamina in my example, as this uses way too much fees for gas. Recently the devs made changes to allow the use of up to 200 stamina per character, so I'd like to redo my example in this video using maximum stamina. Also, I'll measure this exactly by calculating per fight in an actual game and subtract the gas fee calculated on BSC scan. After that, we'll have a better idea of how profitable CryptoBlades is when using maximum stamina. Okay, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment on how CryptoBlades can improve, and be in with a chance to win one of my 3-star swords. And don't forget to leave your wallet address so I can drop you the sword if you win. Also, don't forget to activate the bell notification so you can get up-to-date info for future time-sensitive videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, to start with, let's just use the earnings calculator to get an idea of our profitability, and then after that, let's do the real thing. Firstly, I'll select one of my 4-star swords, then select the earnings calculator. Let's take a look at the result when we click on 40 stamina. That's around $42 per month with 0 losses. Not so great, right? Okay, so now let's do that again and change the stamina to max at 200. That looks a lot better, right? $132 per month with 0 losses, or $107 per month with 1 loss per day. That looks pretty sweet. Okay, so let's see the real thing in action. I'll fast forward through all of my fights and record the exact gas usage after each fight on BSC scan. Please note I currently have 0 balance in my account. So let's calculate the amount we spent on fees for transaction. The total is $1.03. So let's calculate the amount of skill in dollar value we won during these battles. That is 0.129 times $32.99, which is the current value of skill, which comes to $4.27. Now subtract the $1.03 and you get a total profit of $3.24 for this account per day in just 4 transaction clicks. That is around $97 per month, which is a very conservative estimate, as I'd probably squeeze in more battles, as stamina is completely rejuvenated in 16 hours. Add to this, most people I know playing this game have more than one account. Let's also consider the Oracle. Currently the devs have manipulated the Oracle to steady the ship at around $60. Once this starts to come closer down to its trading price, however, then rewards are going to go up, increasing our rewards per battle. One more thing though, once rewards start increasing again, then what do you think will happen to the token price? Most likely it will go up too. So now we are getting more amount of skill per battle, and the skill has a higher value. To me that sounds pretty darn bullish. Well, that's my take anyway. Not financial advice, please look into it yourself and do your own research. Thanks for listening, guys. Oh, and one more thing. Please be on the lookout for a fake Crypto Simplified. This guy has recently copied my channel name and does very similar content. Not cool. I would appreciate your support. Please let him know this is not cool and just make an original name already. Bye for now, everyone. Good luck with your crypto investments and gaming. Bye.